Hey, I'm Nick. This is my bike, sir.
Alright, we'll start the bars and forks area.
Alright, we got Odyssey bar saver bar ends. Pretty big. Got some Odyssey Jimmy leather grips. Brand new. We've got a Colony Bloody Oak bars. Pretty expensive, pretty light. Cut them down, I like my bars nice and short. We got the Coalition Pova stem in gray. We got some first for headset. It's standard, but it's formed into integrated. Don't ask how. We got some stock black forks, beat the hell. Got a gold rim, Eastern. Don't know why. Just want to paint it. We got a Odyssey Elm Street tire. Not a common tire, but it's there. Got some stickers. We got Odyssey and a Vital sticker on here. It's an Eastern Ramrod frame. And then up here, we got Odyssey Jim Bauer Grid Junior seats. Don't sell them anymore. Got a Shadow Umbra C-post, purple. Then we go down here. I got Poverty pedal and pedals, gold, match the front rim. We got some Odyssey Wombo cranks here in lavender, brand new. We got United Squad chain wheel, matches with the stem up there. We got purple Shadow Interlock V2 chain here. Then I got a Odyssey bottom bracket, but it's like bootleg because it's just bootleg. Then back here, I got a Odyssey Hazard Light V3 rim with the new V3 cassette back there. And got my Animal GLH. And that's my bike. Live every day.